साइड साइड साइड
BTS देखना मेरे सामने क्या कर रहा साइड है भाई साइड हो गया सब विजय कांग्रेचुलेशन फॉर जीनियस
सर लुक
सेंटर
लव यू सर
अरे यार ये पूरा
नहीं नाना का move please move नानी लाना के पास
Thank you. Sorry guys. Yeah, I'm coming. Thank you. Hi, how are you? Okay.
Ananya,
Yes.
firstly, so congratulations on
Thanks.
CGR and training.
Thanks.
It was quite amazing. But I want to know how scary can AI get in real life also?
Very, very scary. I'm very untech savvy, so I'm quite clueless when it comes to AI. But you know, after doing this film and watching the film, there was actually like 10 minutes of silence in my house when we watched the film because it's that impactful and scary. Because I think when we started shooting the film, it felt like, oh, this is like a faraway reality कि शायद future में ऐसा होने वाला है. But now when the film is releasing, we keep joking that it's almost like a documentary. क्योंकि now so much has already happened since then. So, yeah.
Congratulations on Connie
Thank
Day
you,
also.
thank
If
you.
Day ever meets Pooh in real life, what will she tell them?
I mean, I don't think there's anything to say to Pooh. She'll probably ask for some tips and learn some iconic dialogues from her.
Amazing.
Yes, thank you, thank you.
We are at IFA.
Yes,
Please
yes.
tell me anything from down south that you really like.
Recently, I'm trying to think. Oh my god, you always put me on the spot. I mean, I'm really excited for Pushpa 2, I can tell you that. You know, the songs, all of it are so much fun. So I'm really looking forward to watching Pushpa 2. Yes. Yes.
Are you excited for it?
I'm so... Oh, Maharaja. That was the movie. The in Tamil. Yes, yes. I was like, I know this one. I loved that movie. Yes, King Khan.
Yeah, so I think it's
Yes.
okay. Ananya, I said this was back.
Yes.
Yeah, are you
Yes.
excited?
I'm so excited. He's my absolute favorite when it comes to everything. And I've grown up watching him host on TV and I used to record it, you know, and go back and watch it. Because he's so much fun. He's charming, he's funny, he's witty, he's just so lovely. So I'm really excited to actually witness that in person.
He's a family friend. You
Yes,
know.
yes.
You have known him as a child.
Yes.
Tell me something about Shah Rukh that we don't know.
He will make any person that he meets feel like a complete superstar, even though he's the biggest superstar. He makes everyone feel like a star.
Aranya, it's the year of re-releases. If there's one film that you want to see on the big screen once again, what would that be?
I would like to see my dad's film Aankhein again because it's such a funny film. I'd like to see that with audiences.
You've sort of become a fashionista also. So many good looks
Thank you.
recently.
Thank you.
If you can give 3 tips, styling tips to
I'm really bad at this, but like I would just say one, just be yourself, be comfortable because I'm at least if I'm uncomfortable in something, it's very obvious on my face. So just be comfortable in whatever you're wearing.
Anyone
and
else?
your checklist for your
One
performance.
second. Huh?
What's fashion for you? First,
Comfort. Yeah.
Checklist for your performance.
Checklist as in don't fall, have fun and yeah, just pretend like the audience is not wearing any clothes. That's what everyone says. Yeah. Yes. I am very excited. I heard this is the best season yet. So I've not seen anything of it, but I heard there's a lot of drama. So I'm really excited.
ये माइक्स का किसका क्या करूँ? I have a 5-year-old. We have the way you guys born, and I just want to know what is this one thing that I should remember because I have a daughter.
Oh wow! Listen, you're a mother, and you know best. You know, so no, we're all human beings. We're not going to sit and now advise each other or share with each other. There is no notebook rule book we're all born with. So yeah, you're incredible. You do you, and you're incredible with your daughter. So blessings and love.
Has the direction of Paddington changed?
What?
What are you wearing today?
Who? I'm wearing an outfit, but the designer is Manish Malhotra.
Ma'am, I want to ask you that you started your career with Mani Ratnam, 1997 Iruval. 27 years later, we are here for PS2. So, how much have you and Mani Ratnam evolved as artists in these
How much? Choti Mo Badi Baat, I can't even speak about his evolution as a maker because I have respected him, right? He's my guru. So from the beginning, I just say I'm very grateful that I got to work with Mani Garu for my first movie. And I was so honored that he asked me to be his Nandini in Ponniyin Selvan. And I'm glad today we as a team get to enjoy the audience celebrating our film. And how? I mean, 13 nominations. But having said that, I think it shouldn't stop at 13. I'd cover everybody, every talent who has worked towards making Ponniyin Selvan. So that would go into hundreds. And each of them in my heart is nominated. And each of them is a winner because the audience has loved that piece of cinema. So thank you for your love. Thank you for your appreciation.
Hi, thank you. Thank you. I'm wearing Prasha Bajaj.
And could you tell us a little more about your outfit and what made you decide to start?
Well, it was a quick decision actually because my friend is so extremely talented. Every piece of hers is absolutely stunning, so I can just pick one off the rack and it will be stunning.
Ma'am, today we talk about the pan-India phenomena. I think much before Bahubali, I would like to believe that Eega was the one film because over the years...
I'll take it.
Yes.
I accept.
So what do you have to say about this pan-India phenomenon and Eega being that one film on television that has become so successful over the years?
Yeah, I still, even now after all of these years, when people meet me, they still say that, you know, Bindu and Eega is my favorite. So I'm hoping that I can do enough good work to beat that now. I'm still trying to.
How does it feel to know that you are a part of a series like Citadel that Priyanka Chopra also has been associated with?
Yeah, it's great. It's great to be a part of a much larger universe. It's such a unique concept to try and connect, to try and create a connected spy world. The premiere went off really well, so I'm hoping that you know, we are a good follow-up to the world of Citadel. Yeah.
Samantha, you are also venturing into sports.
Right, I am.
You're also launching Theoretical Ball.
Yes, I am.
Are you nervous? What's the feeling like?
You know, I always want to be a part of creating things. That's where my passion lies, in creation and being a part of meaningful projects. So for me, pickleball is my dream to get India moving. I think it's part of that bigger dream.
On the work front, what can you tell us?
Well, I am taking it a little slower on the work front, so I'm currently working on Rakta Brahman, and yeah.
Which was that one?
Something you could tell us about Varun Dhawan, what would that be? You know, about the Citadel?
That he is, but that he is actually the sweetheart that all of you think he is. That's all true.
Which was that one performance that made you say, I wish I could do this, or I would like to do a performance like this?
I just on the flight watched Kate Blanchett in Tar, so my God.
Also, is there an actor who inspires you, you know, to live the life the way they are probably doing?
I think a lot of people inspire me, not just.
I'm wearing this stunning piece from Albanian designer, Albania. Her name is Marita Murja. Thank you. This experience has been truly impeccable. I think, you know, I thought so is a night where we celebrate the legacy and the brilliance of Indian cinema and South Indian cinema. So yeah, I had a great fortune of working with Balakrishna Garu, and he's inside, Chiranjeevi Garu as well, Pawan Kalyan Garu, so I got to see him inside. Very soon, even I want to do it. Telepathy Vijay. Sorry? I think this the story, if I say in particular, of MBK 109, which I'm shooting with Balakrishna sir, it's a very touching, emotional story.
हो गया
हाँ क्या यू से हाँ नहीं आ करोगे आप लोग हाँ ठीक है ఎందుకు పుట్టిందో పుట్టింది ఏమోను అంటే ముచ్చట పుట్టింది పుడతాని నీ పిచ్చి పట్టింది దట్ ఈస్ వాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ యా నీ పేరు పెట్టింది వయ్యారం ఓణి కట్టింది గోరింటు పెట్టింది సామికి ముక్కులు కట్టింది చుట్టమల్లె చుట్టేస్తాంది ఆ చుట్టేస్తాంది చుట్టమల్లె చుట్టేస్తాంది ఆరరే చుట్టమల్లె చుట్టేస్తాంది తుంటరి చూపు ఊరికే ఉండదు కాసేపు अच्छा हमको क्या लेना है सबसे तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया मेडिसन साहब ऑलवेज थैंक यू there's Kanupriya at Raw Mango and she's somebody who helps me put together a sari very beautifully and my friend Jia who makes these beautiful temple jewelry. So yeah, Jia and Kanupriya. You chose the color? No, they chose it for me. Thank you so much.
Keep it, I'll keep it for you. That's your question at IFA. रुको 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 और किसी का माइक है और का वो माइक यहाँ लेके आऊँ बट मैं वहाँ आती हूँ ना
So Kriti, I wanted to ask you that you have completed 10 years in the industry.
To start, you look gorgeous, Kriti.
Thank
you. Tell us why you're wearing it.
I'm wearing trouble guru.
Can you tell us a little more about your outfit and what made you decide this?
You can see it. It fits me like a glove.
Kriti, you have completed 10 years in the industry. Now, this has been a great year, 2 back-to-back hits. Now, your most challenging role as an actor is coming up with Dopasti. What can we expect? And how has your journey been in this decade?
It's been very good. As you said, Touchwood this year has started really well and 2 very different films. And the third one is extremely different from what I've ever done. I'm also co-producing for the first time, so that's also exciting. It's me and Kajol ma'am coming together with, of course, Shahir and Tanvi ma'am and other amazing actors. And you will know more about it very, very soon.
Kriti, how much has being a producer changed you as an actor also?
It's not really changed me, but I can realize that it's a tough job. You know, yeah, you have a lot more respect for producers because you realize, okay, itna easy nahi hai to make a film, and there are a lot of things that happen on a set. There are a lot of, ups and downs that go on while making a film. There are a lot of things which are not in your control also at times. The time limit, the budget, all of that, how hard it is to actually make music, and to sometimes when things get changed on edit table. That is so amazing. I always felt like editing is something that really makes the film, to be honest.
Almost really changed things for you. I know people started looking at you as an actor. Is it going to be a conscious decision on your part to do roles probably which are intense and nuanced?
Not, I mean, to be honest, तेरी बातों में ऐसा हो जाता है और crew both were not intense. So.
I think it is the most satisfying feeling that cinema is being celebrated together without the divide of language and regions. And kudos to IFA for taking this initiative, because it's not just a conversation, we're actually doing it, celebrating the best of Indian cinema over a weekend. So really excited for the evening. We'll see. I mean, I have a couple of films in Hindi and I haven't signed anything in Telugu or Tamil yet, but I'd love to. Thank you.
Can we do it here? Would you be able to get it here? You're welcome. Okay? Everyone fine?
So Regina, I wanted to ask you that if there is an all-time favorite film of yours that you would like to remake, who would you cast? Yes, and why?
How are you so excited asking me this question? Now I have to think. You're asking me thinking questions. My film?
Yeah, your all-time favorite film that you would like to remake, who would you cast in it and why?
Wow. Eternal Sunshine of the Spotless Mind. Who would I cast in it? I think the casting is pretty brilliant by itself. You're asking me? No. Let's leave that film by itself, but that's my favorite film. All-time favorite film.
Regina, which is that one performance this year that's stayed in your mind, like your colleagues or your peers?
Man. I think there were, tell me the films that released this year. I'm so suddenly blank.
Tamil, Telugu, in South mainly.
Okay, so there was this film called Kurangal.
Yeah, Pebbles.
Yes, and I think that was one of the films that really stayed in my mind. And yeah. நிறைய horror films தான். Pay experience ஒன்று தான் இருக்குங்க ஆனா. I mean, it's nothing major, but இங்க share பண்ணதுக்கு அவ்வளோ பெரிய இது இல்லை. Yes. Yeah, I mean, it's only been one experience that I had. I just said Kurangal was one of the films that really stuck with me. Thank you. You were supposed to ask me a question.
I can.
That's why I moved it that side also. Then ask me. Better be good.
Yes. What do you, can you tell us what you're wearing?
Oh, I'm wearing Varun Chakilam today. He's a Hyderabad-based designer. As a custom-made Varun Chakilam. Oh, I mean, it's a custom-made.
You tell me how I am. I don't have to tell you how I am. Come that side. Sorry? It's a great feeling, that's why I came. Yeah, IFA is big. It's happening and very happy to be here.
Sir, Telugu la yaar best actor award how many years?
யார் இருக்காங்க எனக்கு ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாது
சரி லாஸ்ட் இயர் உங்க ஃபேவரட் ஃபிலிம் என்ன சார் தெலுங்குல வாட்ஸ் யுவர் ஃபேவரட் ஃபிலிம் so many films
good question. I would go for smaller films. For example, I like Committee Korolu. That's one film I love. Better cinema andru maartaru. All maartaru kabatti antla, but I love this.
So Hindi la endha director ku work panna nariya பேர் உங்க கூட work பண்ண ஆசைப்படுறாங்க. உங்களுக்கு ஃபேவரட் டைரக்டர்
அது போய் அது இருந்தா I would be in Bollywood, but I would like to act with everybody. Yes.
Thank you.
I'm an actor, that's all. I'm not anybody else. Not a hero, not a villain. I'm just an actor. Thank you.
How are you? Who said Mahalakshmi? Yeah? I'm not posing for you. India, I think we should go in. Come. Award வாங்குறது இல்லையே வாங்க போறோம்ல. In English, well, I've been nominated for Veerasamma Reddy, so I'm very excited for that. Let's see. Hopefully we'll win.
So working with Balakrishna sir.
Working with Balaya sir is like working with a ball full of energy, I think. I thought I was very hyper, but he's much more hyper and much more energetic than me. It was really amazing to work with him.
Continue as a heroine or will you, because you know the acting
I will continue as an actress.
actor.
Thank you guys. Have a good evening. Yeah.
Sorry? Ponniyin Selvan, I think it's a project which many people tried to do, they couldn't do. And I think Maniji was like, all of us are lucky to do this project. And he risked, the whole team risked their lives during COVID and they shot this one. And I think it's paying off with that courage and the passion and the honesty. What can I say? He's my mentor. And even though he doesn't like to call like that, he's my mentor, he's like a brother, he's like a friend. And I'm so lucky to have certain people, especially Mr. Mani Ratnam in my life.
As a renowned musician today, there's something about the music industry that bothers you. What is that?
Nothing bothers, it's evolution. We just have to appreciate the good and then probably better things which are bad and keep going.
You have been known for the kind of different soundscape that we've seen throughout 90s, 2000s. What do you have to say about the kind of soundscape that you hear these days?
There are a lot of good work coming in. And I wish there are more classical kind of music, those kind of movies like Shankarabharanam or Sindhu Bhairavi in the south. Melody and also concentrating on Hindustani classical or Carnatic classical. Makers should go more deeper into it so that the younger generation and take it in a way where it's not boring.
Does AI bother you? Does AI bother you?
No, it challenges all of us. We just have to use the monster in the right way.
Ever since you worked with Mani Ratnam for the first time till now, how much have you seen him evolve or change as a filmmaker?
And between the relationship also.
Evolve in the sense he constantly updates himself, he watches all the stuff, he appreciates something new comes in, he appreciates that he's open to stuff. Sometimes he takes time and he comes back and said, I thought you didn't like it. No, I take time and then he comes back. You give him something very new.
So how does A.R. Rahman update you? What's your pressure? How do you upgrade yourself? What is your pressure?
I'm constant because I get bored. So sometimes I don't upgrade. Sometimes I feel like certain things have to be. Sometimes I feel like I need to upgrade. I'm discovering a lot. Like I'm in the Nexa Music. I'm the mentor for that, and there are 2,000 singers actually. We selected out of 30 in that. Some really amazing voices.
Industry and you have been a part of the industry as always. So is it something new for you?
No, this is great. I think there are no borders. Art is art. I think the language doesn't limit what a movie can express. I think that's what it is, and you will see. My main intention to do film music is to make my music travel. So from the first movie, it was intended. So we constantly produced it well and respected the whole world audience. And, yeah.
Different in each and every industry. I cannot say they are good and these people are bad. No, they have a different kind of approach, be it Malayalam or Hindi or Kannada. But their ultimate goal is to make good films. Of course, there are changes. If I come to make a film in UAE with in Arabic, it's going to be different. So there has to be different. If it's very monotonous, then it's not.
Sir, from Nayak to Ponniyin Selvan working with Mani Ratnam, sir.
Working with Mani Ratnam is a really great one because in my earlier days, நான் அவர் கூட தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன். ஸோ இப்போ அவர் கூட படம் பண்ணும்போது நான் 80s படம் பண்ணுற மாதிரியே இருந்துச்சு. ஒரு கம்ஃபர்டபுள், ஒரு தீர்க்கம் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. பரபரப்பு இல்லாமல் ரொம்ப காமாக பண்ணுறது. He is a legend. He is a teacher to. Ponniyin Selvan Veerapandiyan character, IFA has to give me a one-day seminar to tell you. It is actually it is a very important character in Ponniyin Selvan. Common பேச முடியாது. But I am very happy that I played that role. In Tamil சொன்னோம்ல அது. Okay.
So, we have seen how pan-India films are being made. Some films are coming from Hindi and we are all collaborating together, becoming one industry.
That is the happiest thing and proudest thing happening. So we should be.
But it has happened before also.
Yeah, long back we made a film called Chandralega, in black and white. That was a real pan-Indian film. It was produced by Mr. S.S. Vasan. It was Rajkumari Amma and Ranjan, they all acted. That was released in Hindi, all the Indian languages. So,
Be the host. Next year I want to receive the Best Actor award for Hanuman. Yes, sir. It's always pleasure meeting Chiranjeevi, sir, and he's getting a great honor today. I'm very happy. I think there's some divine intervention connection between us. So I'm hosting the show when Chiranjeevi sir is getting the greatest honor. Yeah.
Do you feel the pressure of hosting the show with Raj?
No, ma'am, not at all. Because he's not prepared. Same with me also. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
English, please.
May the best person win. I mean, everyone's my friend. We're all acquaintances in the industry.
So, in your aspect, what is the best film last year in Tamil?
A lot of good films. You can't just pick out one film. That means it means more of injustice to the other films. So I think there are a lot of favorite films. So may the best person win.
So your favorite director Lokesh Kanagaraj is receiving award, right? Okay.
Is he? I'm not too sure.
We don't even know who all have come.
You have to give me options. Yeah. So
Okay.
exactly. See,
I
it's
can
very
tell you,
difficult to-
I'm looking forward for Prabhudeva Master's dance performance.
Yeah, of course she does. They're the women, they always know more.
Thank you.
It's going to be amazing. I've danced with Prabhudeva Master. I've danced with him in Dubai itself, in Sharjah. So watching him perform is always, it's always a visual treat. Adam Chinnavayasunda, I've always, he's been like my inspiration in dance. So I'm looking forward to his dance as well as DSP's
DSP,
performance.
yeah.
DSP is a really good friend of ours, so I'm looking forward to his performance also. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Very good. I loved the IFA green carpet and very happy to celebrate the South industry tonight.
Who's your favorite actor in South Indian film industry?
Nagarjuna and Madhavan.
If I ask director, who will be?
Well, I must say that Rajamouli has outdone himself with some of the films that he's done, especially Bahubali. I just heard today that there's a lady from Nigeria who has watched his film more than 1 million times. Now that is a success which I think only Rajamouli has achieved.
Rajamouli calls you for next film. Will you listen to the story or without listening to the story?
No, I think any actor would be stupid if they wouldn't listen to the story. Listening to the story is very important. Thank you. Very nice.
Sorry? सबसे बेस्ट तो बोलूँ तो ऐश्वर्या राय, मृणाल ठाकुर.
Who's going to receive Best Actor in Hindi? Any guess for tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Kirti Senon.
Whatever you want to talk, we'll talk inside. Okay? Thank you.
தமிழ்ல பேசுமா இங்கிலீஷ்ல பேசுமா?
So I'm really excited to be here for the IFA Utsavam 2024. First, because it's happening in Abu Dhabi. This is my first time visiting Abu Dhabi. And second, because it's a celebration of all 4 different languages. So I'm very excited and very happy to be a part of this. And looking forward to all the great dance performances and all the awards that are going to happen. And let's have a good time. The movie that I really liked a lot was Jai Bhim. Personally, it was my favorite, but there were a lot of other good films that had come. But something which was very hard-hitting was Jai Bhim. So what about Ponniyin Selvan? Of course, Ponniyin Selvan is Mani Sir's film, and I'm a huge fan of Mani Sir. So any film of Mani Sir, it's amazing, right? Because it's a visual treat. So definitely, Ponniyin Selvan is also another good film for me. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry? Okay. In English or Malayalam? Okay. I've been to IFA before also, but I believe this year it's gotten bigger and better. And it's great that, we have a platform here where actors and technicians from all around India, different languages, coming together and celebrating. So it's wonderful to be here. I'm really looking forward to today evening and tomorrow evening. Yeah. Well, you all have seen the film, so there's nothing more to talk about it. I've already posted on my social media about it, and it's definitely one of the best films that came out last year, and definitely Prithvi's best performance till date. And we all have read the book, so he really worked hard for it, like 3-4 years of hard work, and that paid off. Thank you. Thank you very much. Purnima.
Purnima is my name. So yeah, it's a good experience. Thank you so much. And 2 days back to back of literally the whole industry coming together. It's a huge event on its own, and I'm sure the IFA organizers have been working day and night to put this show together, and it's been a wonderful experience till now. Really looking forward to the great night that all of us are going to be having here. Yeah, thank you so much.
Hindi okay. I thought Seri South da
But we are all from different parts of India.
South Indian films and South Indians are rocking. And I'm so proud to be the South Indian first of all. And IFA Utsavam, it's like it really brings all of us, all the film fraternity, not just the South, they also bring the North and South, they merge us together, they make it so big, and it's fabulous, and it's lovely to meet all my friends, and some who are performing and some who are receiving awards. So I'm really so happy for them, and I would like to congratulate them, all the best. Yes. See, people keep talking about their experiences. Fortunately, I've been really having very, very good experience, in the industry. So I really don't have anything to say or complain, So that's why I'm not really talking. Really sorry, I don't want to talk about that now. Anything controversy, yeah. Sorry. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Another addition to your universe of intense characters. So what can we expect from that performance, from that story that you have all told?
Yeah, well, first thanks for dedicating an entire universe to my intense performances. I never saw it like that, but I guess when you do something that you've, like you said, the word intense, right? So maybe broadly that's how people are viewing it. And one kind of understands that whenever you make a choice which is in a space that people have liked you in, the responsibility is to make it new and different. So for me, the attempt is to try and bring a new aspect of my personality without taking away from what the film needs. And I'm really excited. It's out on the 14th of Feb. And it's a thriller, it has a lot of action, and it has a very, very aggressive character. And it's pretty much a whodunit, so keeps you on the edge till the end, hopefully. And I'm very, very excited about it. Thank you guys. Hey, Karan, what's up?
Karan sir, please join us. It disappeared. How are you looking so good? Karan sir, please join. Good to see you. I had a long time with your wife, and products. No, I had no clue. She said, I was like, what? I told you. Yeah, so I invited her immediately after. I was told there like 8 women. They all knew that I never heard it. Okay. Okay. Wait, we were talking about skin products.
It's all about my wife and skin products, you know.
And I don't endorse any, so there's no conflict of interest.
Neither do I.
Are you coming in or are you leaving?
No, I'm just walking. Take it easy and just flow with it. Whatever they are looking into, we're trying to look into it as well. We want the audience to always be happy and satisfied. But I do feel that, yeah, art is something that should be appreciated, and if you get extremely critical about it, I think it takes away from your experience of whatever it is that you're watching. And I stopped myself from doing it because I've been working for 21 years now, so of course for me it's my job, it's my life. And sometimes when you get very technical and critical about it, it takes away from your own ability to enjoy something, you know. So. Yes.
Yes. Is it an exciting challenge for you to dive again into a very intense, complex world of Vishal?
It's always earth-shattering.
Top side, please.
No, okay.
Yeah. Only.
Yeah, all of you side.
Yes.
अच्छा है मैम
यहाँ पे मैम, यहाँ पे कृति जी, यहाँ पे
मैम आपके लेफ्ट में है
मैम, कृति यहाँ पे नीचे
मैम लेफ्ट में
कृति जी यहाँ पे लेफ्ट कृति जी यहाँ पे
मैम यहाँ पे नहीं देखा आपने
मैम ये लेफ्ट साइड मैम, कृति जी यहाँ पे मैम, यहाँ पे लेफ्ट साइड मैम, कृति जी
बोलो ना बोलो ना भाई Yeah, both of you look here. Both of you look left. Both of you look here.
Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, serious.
दीदी जी कैसे हो?
हेलो
वेट रुको ना
क्या कर रहे
हो? वन पिक्चर
थोड़ा पीछा ना
कृति जी यहाँ पे देखिए
हाँ पीछे कृति जी एक्सक्यूज मी भाई आगे मत जाओ
हाँ कांजी हाँ अंदर आ जा
Hi, Siddhant. Hi, Anushka from Sunrise Radio UK. How are you? Oh, I'm super excited to see you now. Are you nervous and everything or not? You'll be okay. Please definitely
भाई थोड़ा आओ ना
दरवाजा बंद कर दो
चलो
ओके
Excuse me. All the way from Kenya, buddy. And we want to give a shout out to your fans in Kenya.
Be careful, guys. I'll see you very soon. Excuse me, guys.
Thank you.
Excuse me, buddy. Oh, very excited. Very excited. Thank you.
Vicky, wait,
Vicky, wait. Excuse me, bro. Please.
Guys, careful while walking behind. Please be careful. Vicky, please be careful while walking.
दीपक पीछे.
थोड़ा सा पीछे. मैम.
बस एक जगह रुक जाओ. Excuse me, साइड. सर रुकिए ना. कोई गिरेगा. Guys, make a move, guys. चलो. Yes. Excuse me, move.
Hi, Shahid. Bring your friends here from Kenya. Domestic Kenyan fans, please.
चालू हो गया. Guys. थोड़ा आगे. बस.
राशि सेंटर.
बॉम्बे वाले इधर. थोड़ा सा दे दीजिएगा. या. Move.
Careful. Please be very careful.
Move, please.
चलो पीछे चलते रहो.
आइए.
Yeah, please.
आइए. इस लो है सामने. पीछे चल. Excuse me.
I'm sorry, no bite. We gotta go to the press one. She'll come out and give every bite.
Bye.
Ananya, look here, left.
यहाँ पे अनन्या. एसी पे. वेट. Thank you.
I'm very excited. My second time here. As much fun.
Ananya, look back.
पीछे.
Wait. प्रज्ञा जी. लाइट देते हैं. हाँ, यहाँ यहाँ पे देखिए. मैम सेंटर. प्रज्ञा जी यहाँ पे देखिए अभी. प्रज्ञा जी सेंटर. प्रज्ञा मैम सेंटर. प्रज्ञा जी यहाँ पे.
कैसे आप लोग?
बढ़िया. आज
25. आइए वॉकिंग.
आइए. क्या कर रहे हैं, गिर जाएंगे.
How are you?
पीछे आना.
Yeah. But anyway, they're doing like one by one.
चल.
Pragya, hi Pragya. So good to see you. So what's your excitement for?
Very excited. I also been back after 7 years. So excited. We are excited for my performance. So really looking forward to it. मैंने तो बहुत दूर से चल रही है. मेरी performance 2 लैंग्वेज के गानों में है. कन्नड़ा and तेलुगु. तो थोड़ी सी बटरफ्लाइज है. फिर उसको इससे काफी ज्यादा excited. बहुत excited. मैं can't wait to watch him. Thank you. One second. Sorry. Careful, guys. Careful. You'll bang yourself. Yes, right hand side. Sorry.
Oh, Dilna, camera is there, no? My voice. Yeah.
Big voice.
It's gone. Yes, sir. No, Mr. You are not asking questions, bro.
What do you make of this entire landscape of Indian cinema coming together along with Utsavam and IFA Awards and of course ROX?
Well, in a few hours from now, you are going to witness a One India movement of cinema in Yas Island. I think all of us have to wait, and it's going to be a pretty exciting night.
So it's a year of re-releases. If there's one film that you want to see on the big screens once again, what would it be?
Yeah.
Photo. This side. Sir,
Rana sir.
look at this side. Yeah, wait, this camera.
Rana sir.
Yes, beautiful. For one step. 1 second.
Sir, one step forward.
Little forward. Yes, look here, sir. Look here. One second, please, guys. Look here, sir. Look here. Sir, look here, sir. Sir, look at this side. First this side. Yeah, look here.
Yes, sir. Mera is going on, sir. It's on full speed. We announced the film for April 18th. Hoping to see you all in theaters with yet another superhero film, right? Yeah, kind of superhero film. It will be an action adventure. Thank you.
Dashing, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
भाई एक कोना पकड़ लो. Nice look.
गार्डन में घूम रहे हैं सब.
Thank you, sir.
The films you mentioned, they gave me wonderful moments, wonderful experiences, wonderful learning. So if you want me to tell all the answers, you have to talk to me, you have to hear me 1 hour. So Bahubali, each and every film was a different experience. I really relish it. I really keep
So one last question. Any dialogue from the
No, I don't. No, I don't.
One video.
You don't go and ask and Dr. Kumar performance.
No, sir. Nasu sir, last time I actor.
Yeah.
Nasu sir.
Okay, I'll come back.
One last.
Ma'am, wait.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
I'll come back.
Okay, guys, we'll come back.
Yeah, right side.
Thank you. Wait, hold on. Lovely.
Sir, आप आइए. Sir.
Wait. Look here.
My गाड़ी.
Yeah, sir, center.
या बुतो भी लुकिया. Okay, sir. Thank you,
sir.
आड़ी बोली.
इधर सेंटर.
सर ये स्पेशली आपके लिए आया सर बैंड्रा से.
सर यहाँ पे.
एक साथ में मैम के साथ में
सवाना जी.
साथ में फोटो.
एक साथ में फोटो. थोड़ा पीछे, एक स्टेप पीछे.
मैम एक स्टेप पीछे.
सर मैम यहाँ पर देखिए.
हाँ जी.
एक स्टेप थोड़ा सा पीछे मैम. सर. वेट होल्ड.
या बुतो भी लुकिया.
Yeah, right side.
Wait, hold. Look your right.
रखे जी सेंटर. मैम सेंटर में देखिए, सेंटर में. रखे जी सेंटर में देखिएगा. ये हिलमत में डाला.
Wow. Beautiful.
Sir, center, sir.
This side. Yes. Wait. Look right. Wait. Thank you, sir. Designer. Raghavendra.
Design by Rajan Pillai.
Come together. Both of you at this camera.
Both of you look right. Last corner now.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, solo.
Ma'am, come over.
Just center. Wait. Hi, yes, center, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Sir. गार्डन में घूम रहे हो.
ऐश्वर्या जी यहाँ पे
Yeah, sure.
Ma'am, you want this? All movie women oriented. But in coming days, can we see a good rom-com or anything like that?
Definitely. Partners.
Okay. Any horror movie? No.
As of now. Thank you.
Ma'am, आइए मैम. Left side, sir, all of you left side.
Thank you. Okay, sir.
Yes, center. Hello with this camera. Yes, center.
Thank you. Thank you.
क्या बात नहीं करी? अच्छा, पहचानिए। Thank you. Whoever suggested that.
Ma'am, center first.
Thank you.
प्रिया जी यहाँ पे सेंटर। प्रिया जी सेंटर। Next one.
Done?
Done.
Done. Thank you.
My goodness.
Ma'am,
Is it right here?
Ma'am, center.
We got called by.
Ma'am, center.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You too.
Center.
Look at right. Sir, give us a wait.
Center.
Look at right.
Sir, center.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Break.
Ma'am, यहाँ पे. Clear.
Ma'am, here. Wait.
लेकिन ना मैम.
थोड़ा पीछे मैम.
मैम आपके राइट से चढ़ दीजिए. गार्डन में घूम रहे हो.
Ma'am, here, right side, ma'am, here.
लेकिन
Ma'am,
आपके राइट.
right. Ma'am, right side, here.
मैम यहाँ पे आपके राइट में.
Ma'am, right में देखिए. Ma'am, यहाँ पे, hold.
As always. Whom are you wearing?
Ma'am, center, ma'am.
Ma'am, look here.
Ma'am, center, ma'am.
Look at right.
Thank you.
Don't say.
Ma'am, center.
Thank you. 2 मिनट का बैठ.
Center, ma'am, center.
Look at right side. This side. No, this side. Yes,
Yeah, look here.
Ma'am, center, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Now look here.
Yeah, look center.
पूरा वशी. आगे.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, thank you.
Wait, ma'am. आप extra time आप दे रहे हो.
Wait, sir. Wait.
Thank you.
Sir, one more. What's up, yo?
Sir, ma'am.
On the right.
Sir. What?
Sir, center, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Sir, apart from PS1, is there any other novel that we can see you making?
Sir, यहाँ पे sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, यहाँ पे.
Yes, brother.
Sir, look center.
Yeah, my Bombay friends.
Yeah.
Yes. Especially come from Bombay.
New thing. Bad man.
कल का डाला नहीं मैंने.
डाला है सर. मैं
रकुल जी यहाँ पे. Wait. मैम यहाँ नहीं देख रहे हो यहाँ पे. मैम इधर. मैम इधर. हाँ. बस. मैम दिस कैमरा. मैम दिस कैमरा.
राशि जी यहाँ पे. Wait.
Sir, please.
Look here.
Look here, please.
Come here. Dumpling maybe once in a way. Momos once in a way, not always. Yeah, is it finish it? Say that again, please. Chennai Express. Yeah.
And you actually became a big actor in
He's not my Atlee. It's good. I'm really. Hi. How are you? I'm really happy and glad that the recognition, the love, the accolades that Atlee sir has been getting through Jawan and post Jawan is fantastic. What else do you need? I mean, I'm glad and I'm happy that I got to work with him. I'd love to work with him again if given a chance.
Shah Rukh Khan, okay, so we have to talk about Shah Rukh Khan. Worked with him, of course, you share a very special bond with him, and now we will see him in IFA. Tell us something about him.
What do you want me to tell about him? I mean, I can write an essay, but it'll take too long for this. It'll be too long here, and you guys will be really bored of me after about a minute.
Can we expect
Family match? Very soon. Yes, we've already started shooting. We're halfway through, and it'll come out very soon. So talking about Shah Rukh, I think he's one of the bestest, if that's even a word. He's the bestest, and I mean, yes, he might have his fair share of haters as well, but I think the love that people have for him, I think that overshadows the people that don't like him.
What about working with Ajay and Mehta? Because that is a film that is also...
Yeah. I think Ajay sir he's a class apart. I had such a great time working with him. His eyes speak volumes, and I had so much I just learned a lot from him during the time that we shot together. He doesn't have to say much, but I think his eyes just speaks enough. Other films or my... Oh, it's a difficult question to answer. Huh? I recently saw Avesham, so I think that one. And I saw Brahma Yugam. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these two.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Okay. Holiday planned by IFA for us. God bless them. Yeah. Yes, I have. Yes. Yep. I loved it, and I was telling the makers, I was telling Pushkar Gayatri, I was telling Why Not Studios that they did a fantastic job with the remake. Just felt really proud to have been part of the original, and they did a fantastic job with the remake. Yes, that movie is so dear to me, so special. I don't know, sometimes you get so involved in your character, it's very emotional, and then you realize that you learned something out of your character, and Mitra was one of the characters that I learned a lot from. So yes. From 2023, that would be Sapta Sagar Dache Yellow. I watched Lapata Ladies recently, which I really loved. Did I say that I loved Sapta Sagar Dache Yellow? I did, right? Because I have to categorically say that I absolutely loved that film. What are the other films that I watched? I would mention these. They just came to the top of my head. Yeah.
Very, very honored and glad that I was part of it. But his film is full-fledged now.
Let's go.
I'm very, very happy. I have to thank Atlee sir and Rachel. Everybody having fun.
Sorry? Turn back. I just need someone to figure out this. If you could, I'd be so grateful. Thank you. Perfect. You're so kind. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Yeah, okay, last question, I think. Yeah, tell me. Hi, Sena. Sena.
Just why don't we ask?
Yeah.
So on one hand, we've seen movies like Lapata Ladies do well.
Yeah, what an
On the
incredible...
other hand, we've also seen movies like Animal doing well. So what do you have to say about the way the cinema has changed, content has changed, and the taste of the audience?
See, we need to understand it's the character that we are resonating with, connecting with. And Ranbir is the same person who did Barfi as well. So why not appreciate that an actor can do roles like Animal and Barfi? So just celebrate films, yeah. Like, enjoy. If you like it, great. If you don't like it, maybe next time. Yeah. Thank you.
doing, man? You're doing good. Good to see you. Okay, one second. I'll come to you. One second. There's really no words to describe the kind of feeling it is, because I remember exactly like you said, we grew up watching IIFA, we grew up, you know, in front of the TV screens, just watching everything go by and hoping just one day that something big might happen in your own life. And today, standing here in front of everybody and being here on the green carpet, going to be watching the show right now, is truly just a miracle. And again, I just had to say a big thank you to Mr. Sanjay Bhansali, who has given me this opportunity to be here today. So thank you, sir. God knows, man. Farida Jalal is my favorite. Yeah, she is my favorite. How did it change? Nobody knew me before Hira Mandi. People know me now. People are giving. I never had the audience's love before Hira Mandi. Today I have. So I think that we all, as an actor, I work for love. I follow my passion for love. So I guess I'm getting a lot of love. Oh wow, it's been a while, but I would just have to say that every day was very exciting. Every day was very different. Big learning experience working with such incredible actresses, like you said. But more than that, just working with Mr. Bhansali and understanding his temperament and getting him to direct you as an actor is truly a dream come true. Thank you so much.
Whatever you want to talk, we'll talk inside, okay? Thank you.
Yeah, because you're telling it in front of him. Okay, let's go for the best. No. So far, it's a very great competition.
Look, brother, I would say that kind of villain in Indian cinema has reduced. And bad man के बाद कोई नहीं है, बच्चे हैं सब. शर्म आनी चाहिए ऐसा सवाल पूछने के बाद. बैटमैन के बाद कोई नहीं है.